Welcome traders! Today, we're sharing a mind-blowing trading strategy using a premium indicator that's now free for all. This strategy has the potential to unlock incredible wealth. I'll be explaining the settings for all the indicators used in this strategy in detail, so stay tuned. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. This strategy can be used for both scalping trading and long trading, and you can also use it in different time frames. I'm going to be explaining this strategy on a Bitcoin chart. Now let's quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. So first of all, let's add the first indicator to the chart. So we will open the Indicators tab and search for SuperTrek strategy, and then apply this indicator to the chart. This buy and sell indicator gives pretty accurate signal, but we will modify its settings to make it more accurate. So we will open the settings for this indicator, and in the Inputs tab, we're going to change the strategy direction option from long to all. Now this indicator would show us both buy and sell signals alongside their targets. If we scroll down a little in the Input section, we would find Take, Profit 1, 2, 3, and 4 options, and we can adjust their percentage numbers. We will set the first target to 2%, and the second one to 4%. The third one to 6%, and finally the fourth one to 8%. We have got another important thing here in the settings, which is the high time frame option, or HTF. Whenever we want to trade using the 1 hour, 4 hours, or 1 day time frames, it's better to set this option to 1 week. Now the settings for this indicator are done, so we will close the settings. So this is how you enter a trade using this indicator. As you can see here, we got a buy signal, and the targets have been clearly displayed. For instance, this was marked as the first target, this one as the second target, and the third target. All of the take profit targets have been designated on the chart sequentially, and you could exit the trade at any of these targets, depending on your finance management. So, for example, I can open a buy trade here. For the stop loss, we can set it under the swing low, or we could use this line the indicator has drawn over here and put the stop loss a little below the line. And you can see this was a pretty good buy signal. Similarly, here we got a sell signal. We can see the targets have been marked, and if we were to enter the trade, we could have ended our trade on any of these 3 take profit targets. We can use these targets in our trades for finding the exit points. Now, for example, if you want to trade on a 1-minute time frame with this indicator, you can also do that. To be able to use this strategy for scalping trading, we need to go back to the SuperTrek's indicator settings. And in the Inputs tab, we will change the HTF option to 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. I prefer using the 4 hour time frame to get less fake signals. So I will choose the 4 hour option and close the tape. So I hope you have understood this indicator clearly. Now, in order to make the signals even more accurate, I'm going to add a second indicator to this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So let's open the Indicators tab, and in the search bar type Donchian Trend Ribbon, and then apply this one to my chart. This is how it looks. As we can see, this indicator consists of red and green histogram. We will change some settings for this indicator also. So let's access the settings for this indicator. And in the Inputs tab, we will change the period of this indicator to 100 from 20. Then we will open the Style section, and then disable all the other plot options except the first one. Just make sure to follow these steps closely. Now let's quickly see how to read this indicator. So whenever this indicator's histogram is green in color, it means that we are only allowed to open buy trades. And whenever the indicator's histogram is red in color, it tells us that we should only open sell trades. For example, we got a buy signal here. So to confirm this signal, we will check out this secondary indicator as well to see if the histogram is green or not. And as you can see, it is actually green at this position. So that means our buy signal is valid and we can open a trade here. As we all know, we should always consider the trend of the market before opening the trade. So for that, we will add our final indicator to the chart. This indicator will add more accuracy to our strategy and will also reduce fake signal. So we will open the Indicators tab again and search for the Moving Average indicator and apply this Moving Average exponential indicator to the chart. I'm sure most of you will be familiar with this indicator. We will change some settings for this indicator also. In its settings, in the Inputs tab, we will change the length from 9 to 200. After this, I'm going to change the color of this indicator so that I can easily see it on the chart. You guys can change this according to your liking. Also, make sure the method is on the SMA option. So now that our chart is set, let's go through the exact rules for entering a buy and sell trade through this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for SuperTrex indicator to give a buy signal. After that, for confirmation, we want the histogram below to be green in color. And in order to trade according to the trend, the candle at which we got the buy signal should be above the moving average. This confirms the upward trend of the market. So as all the conditions are fulfilled, I will open a buy trade here. As explained earlier, we will set the stop loss at the recent swing low or below this line of the SuperTrex indicator. And then we can exit the trade at the first, second, or third take profit target given by the indicator. And as you can see, this was a pretty good profitable buy trade. Similarly here, we can see we got another buy signal. The candle is above the 200 EMA. And finally, we see the histogram is also green. So I'll open a buy position here. Set my stop loss right here. Now, let's see if this trade will be profitable or not. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy trade. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade through this strategy. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So the rules for entering a sell trade are exactly opposite. First of all, we will wait for a sell signal. And after we have got that, we will look at the histogram indicator for confirmation. And for sell trade, the histogram should be red in color. And finally, we need to make sure the market is moving below the 200 EMA. So as all the conditions are fulfilled, I will open a sell trade here. Our stop loss will be set either at the recent swing high or at the test line of the SuperTrex indicator. You guys would have got an idea of the accuracy of this strategy. You can get out of the trade at any of the take profit targets this indicator gives you. For example, if we would have been patient enough, we could have gotten an amazing take profit target for our trade. Let's go through one more sell trade example. Here we can see we got a sell signal and the price is below the 200 EMA. And also the histogram is red. So let's open a sell position here with the money management rules I have explained. I hope you guys have liked this strategy. If you guys think we can improve this strategy, make sure to share your thoughts in the comments. So this is going to be it for today's video. If you guys liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.